Mobile devices play a huge role in a growing portion of retail sales, which means if your business doesn't cater to the mobile shopper, then you're missing out on an enormous segment of your market. Now, according to Statista.com, over 63.5% of e-commerce sales made in 2018 were done on a mobile device. They also predict that in just 3 years, by 2021, that number will be all the way up to 72.9%. There's no denying it. Consumers have integrated their smartphones into every aspect of their shopping experience. From researching potential products to comparing prices at different online stores to completing the purchase, consumers are using their computers less and their smartphones more. This means you'll want to begin by evaluating your online business from a mobile shopper's perspective. So how can you take your business to the next level and join the ranks of savvy business owners who have seized the opportunity to increase exposure and sales through mobile-friendly e-commerce platforms? This video will show you how. We'll discuss the different ways you can get your business off the ground quickly and easily by ensuring that it's mobile-friendly. We'll also take a closer look at the top e-commerce platforms online so that you can build a strong foundation for your business. This will enable you to reach a broader audience by catering to the ever-growing number of mobile shoppers. So, let's get started.